Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing in with the Google account that stores your images. Make sure you see your avatar at the top right. That confirms the active account. Once signed in, tap Library or Photos to load the grid. If you're on mobile, make sure Sync is enabled in Device Settings account's Google Account Sync so recent uploads appear. If you have multiple accounts, switch accounts now so you search the correct photo set without missing anything. Next, use the search bar at the top to find photos by person, place, object, or date. For example, type June 2023 or beach to narrow results quickly. Once done, apply filters and tabs like favorites, archived, or albums to further reduce clutter. Albums often house event or shared photos. Make sure to check face groups and the map view if location is enabled. These automatically group people and places. Finally, select the photos you need to download or share. Use the share icon for links or collaborators and export to download originals. If you can't find images, check archived or trash. Trash retains items for 30 days and verify other linked Google accounts or partner libraries. Make sure backup and sync is enabled and confirm you haven't hit your Google storage quota. Low storage can stop new uploads. If issues persist, sign out and back in. Then force a manual sync or refresh the app to resolve transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.